So first, I'll be cleaning my face with this Garnier micellar water. We're waiting for the micellar water to dry on the face. We are going to put on our eyebrow pencil. For those of you guys who have nice eyebrows, you can skip this step, so you can definitely save time. And let me just put on my eyebrows real quick. Okay, my brows are done, and for those of you guys who have bushy eyebrows, you can just brush your brows up and leave them as is. For me, I can do my brows in 2 to 3 minutes. I actually don't need to carve out my brows here and put concealer because this is just a conference call and it's not 4K resolution, so you guys really don't need to overthink this. We just have to make sure that we look a little bit polished. Next is concealer. I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 01 Light, and I'll just put a little amount underneath my eyes and here on my nose, a little bit on my forehead and on my chin. This is just to highlight these areas, and I'll use a damp sponge and just tap. I also have a Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair, and I'll just put that here on some marks on my face, not just a little bit. And then same thing, I'll just dab this beauty sponge. After concealer, you have to put on a little bit of powder. You can use this Maybelline Superstay Powder Foundation, or you can use this Johnson's Baby Powder. Now for this video, I'll be using this. And I'll just apply a little bit on my face. After that, since my face is now white, I will put on this Shawil Sweetheart Blusher. This is in the shade 1, and I'll just put on a little bit of color on my cheeks and on my forehead. I will use the same contour powder for my eyeshadow, just a little bit, so we can have like a pop of color. You don't have to be perfect on this, just put on a little bit of shadow on your eyelids. Alright, I think that's it. Next, we have to curl our lashes to make us look awake. I have already curled my lashes, and there's a really big difference if you curl your lashes or not. I'll put a little bit of highlight on my inner corner here. Next, we have to put on blush because during video calls, sometimes you really look pale. So it's nice to see that you have like a blushed or a drunk blushed look. This is Caroline Oil Control Blush On in the shade Starlight Shine. I'll just put a little bit of powder on my cheeks. For lipstick, I'll be using this Maybelline Ink Crayon. This is in the shade, I don't know guys, the shade is on the plastic that comes with it, and I've already removed it. So yeah, this is the shade. This is really nice for video call conferencing. This is the final look, you guys. So this is a 10-minute makeup look if you have an online class or maybe online meeting. If you want to look polished or fresh, or if you want to look professional, then you can definitely do this 10-minute makeup look. Guys, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified once I upload a video. Don't forget to like this video, click the thumbs up button below, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!